In the boundless realm of digital entertainment, where avatars fought valiantly and structures soared to kiss the clouds, a legend named Fortnite once graced the gleaming screens of iPhones around the world. Its departure was abrupt, leaving behind a void no app could fill, with millions mourning the loss of their beloved pastime. The cause of this great disappearance was none other than a clash of titans. Apple, the stalwart sentinel of its App Store, and Epic Games, the bold creator of Fortnite, found themselves locked in a fierce legal duel. The arena for their confrontation was vast and echoed far beyond the confines of courtrooms, into the minds and conversations of the public, who eagerly watched this battle of wills and wits. For what seemed an eternity to its fans, Fortnite lay dormant, an icon lost to the ether of the iOS world. Yet the spark of hope never died in the hearts of its ardent players. They clung to tales of a possible return, a rift that might once again open, allowing Fortnite to cascade back into the palms of their hands. And then, in an unexpected twist, like a comet blazing across an evening sky, Fortnite did indeed return. To the shock and sheer delight of iPhone users worldwide, the App Store's gates creaked open, and there it was, the game they had longed for, ready for download once more. Excitement rippled across the globe as players rejoiced. Interviews with fans illustrated the jubilant mood. "I couldn't believe my eyes. Fortnite's comeback? Unreal," said Kai, a seasoned player, his enthusiasm reverberating like a shockwave from a legendary loot drop. "I've missed those familiar battle cries, the sprints across the island to safety," mused Lena, her hands already dancing across her phone screen in anticipation. Questions abounded. What led to this miraculous resurrection? Was it a verdict from the high courts, or perhaps a ceasefire in the corporate war zone, brokered by unknown heroes? While the curious pondered and the rumors swirled, something more important unfolded: the joyous reunion of gamers with their cherished adventure. The community, once fragmented, was now whole again, their bond strengthened by the trial they had endured together. From the fabled peaks of Retail Row to the mysterious mansion of Misty Meadows, players donned their virtual armors and leaped from the reinstated battle bus. They dove eagerly into the fray, hearts alight with the same ferocious passion that had fueled their love for the game since its inception. And so, Fortnite's return wasn't just the revival of an app. It was the rekindling of uncountable friendships, strategies, and stories, all living within the confines of a game that was so much more than the sum of its parts. To the outside world, it may have been just another chapter in the annals of tech industry feuds, but to the Fortnite faithful, it was an epic for the ages, a tale of loss, perseverance, and a triumphal return that would be recounted for years to come. And there, on the digital battlegrounds of Fortnite, amidst the renewed laughter and camaraderie, players found their home once more.